Love the sound. Love the sound. Hate the dust I'm seeing, but we love the sound. Was that good? Okay. Alrighty, folks, so first things first, I'd like to apologize for not cleaning the car as well as I thought I did. I ran into the car wash real quick, like the day before, and it got very dirty very fast, as it is a black car, and black cars tend to do that. Also, the interior I wiped down. I forgot to wipe the steering wheel and some other small spots. So it's not as clean as I wanted for the video, but I'm not going back outside. It's like 90 degrees or something, so we're staying indoors. We're just gonna run with what we got. I know I have not been posting as much. I apologize. I've been out doing things. I've been out with the peoples. I've been out chilling, straight posted. You know, we've been out spinning the block, as they say. In layman's terms, I've been touching grass, and it's been some pretty high quality grass. I'm not gonna lie, that stuff's pretty cool. I did buy this car. It is a 2018 Ford Mustang GT. No premium package, just straight GT. We got the 6-speed manual because I don't care about being faster. I just want to enjoy the car. If I wanted a car that was fast, I would have probably not have bought a Mustang. I'm not here for speed. I bought it because it has been my dream car for... I can't even tell you. It's been my dream car for a very long time, and I had an opportunity to get one, and here it is, and I have no regrets. It has been the best car I've owned thus far, out of the 2 vehicles I've owned. Nothing extra on this car. It's just GT. It's got the blacked out emblems. It's got the blacked out, 5.0 badge, the GT badge, the Mustang badge on the front, the actual horse, neigh. And it's got the upgraded center console touchscreen thingy with the little switches on the bottom, which are very useful. We don't have don't have leather seats. We don't need them. The cloth seats are super comfortable. But yeah, I got the car in April, sometime mid-April, I believe, and it's June now. Almost the end of June, actually, and I've had no complaints with it. It drives wonderfully. The engine is a treasure. It is a gem in itself. The steering, I don't know anything about how the old Mustangs steer. Actually, I kind of do. I have driven like a 2012 V6 Mustang. I don't know, kind of felt like I was driving a rear-wheel drive Taurus. Not really a fan of how that felt, but I love how this car feels. I don't know, yeah, just when I'm driving it, I feel like very centered, the wheel in each corner type feeling. The suspension's a teensy bit bouncy sometimes. I don't have the Magna Ride suspension, or whatever Ford calls their magnetic ride suspension, so I'm sure if I got the magnetic ride, I wouldn't have to deal with the bounciness. This is just standard struts and shocks. And in the end, I can always just replace those pieces anyway. I can get performance struts and shocks, so I don't really have to worry about that too much. It's not like it's the end of the world. I wish you guys could see the wheels in person. I feel like the wheels don't look that great in like video or in pictures, but they look really nice to me in person. Yeah, gas mileage isn't terrible. Made a trip, like a 5-hour drive once. I got like average 27 miles per gallon, which is weird to me because I'm pretty sure the car is rated 25. Maybe the car is giving itself a little boost internally to make it seem like it's getting 27 when it's indeed not. I don't know. All I know is I drove like 5 hours on 1 tank of gas. Yeah, but yeah, I don't know. Seats are nice, steering's nice. Oh my gosh, we got power for days in this. Like, gearing on this car is super long though. Like I mean, I don't really have an issue with it. We all do know that the Coyote motor is not the torquiest of the V8s, so I feel like I could have benefited from some shorter gearing, Mr. Ford. But yeah, I mean the gears are long, bro. Like I can hit top speed in fourth gear. Like literally fourth gear is top speed. 160 or 155, whatever it's limited to. But 155 or fourth is crazy to me coming from an Accord, which did not hit 135, which was its top speed in fourth gear. So yeah, it's just a jump. It's different for me. I ain't worried about it though. I ain't got an issue. It saves gas. I understand. Sixth gear, 80 miles per hour. You feel like you're saving the planet driving in sixth gear like that. Good times. I'm pretty sure you've already seen videos on an 18 Mustang, so I don't have to showcase it really. You can find a video from when the car first came out, and you'll find out the same information. You can look up the specs and all that. I believe in you. I guess this is more about me documenting how I'm feeling now that I have my dream car. This is what I've wanted for probably the last 15, 17 years, and I've gotten it. And who knows how long I'm going to have it. You never know what's going to happen. So, this is important. This is a milestone. That's what it is. It's a milestone moment, and I want to record my milestone moment. I like it. So yeah, that's what we're here for. It's a milestone type thing. And, I also like to thank all you people that watch the videos, hang out with me, and of course all the friends that hang out with me as well. I know I'm annoying sometimes, maybe all the time. Good car, no complaints, having a ton of fun. Showed a few Audis, who's boss. Showed a few AMGs, who's boss. Showing a few Corvettes, who's boss. Not Corvettes. Showing a few Challengers, who's boss. I ain't here to be fast. I'm here to enjoy my life. Sometimes that means going fast, but others. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a very good day. Make sure y'all achieve your dreams, alright? Because, if I can do it, you can do it too. And I thought I couldn't do it. I really thought I couldn't. Why don't you guys tell me your dream cars? Because I am actually curious. I love reading what you guys have to say. So I'd be very interested to hear what kind of car you're trying to get. Or if you do have your dream car, I want to hear what that car is. Tell me about it, how it drives, all that good stuff. And I am proud of y'all. I am proud of y'all for trying. I'm proud of y'all for taking your wins. I'm proud of y'all for learning lessons. All that wonderful good stuff. And if you feel like you're hit your dreams, if you feel like you're not going to achieve your dreams, promise you, I can tell you this for sure, you can do it. It may take some time. You may have to struggle, but you can do it. It can be done. And I believe in you. So on that note, I'm going to end the video. I'm going to see y'all later. Y'all have a good one now. You hear?